Welcome to the first episode of our series, How to Get to Perfect Motion. In this series, we will guide you through the basic tuning steps with Cinemeric Tuning Center. Before we dive into feedback loop tuning, let's look at the big picture. With just 4 basic tuning steps, you can make your axes stable, fast, smooth, and perfectly synchronized for maximum accuracy. Step 1. Feedback loop tuning. We recommend performing this step on all axes to achieve the best settings for your machine's mechanics. If you're experiencing any of these issues, feedback loop tuning can help. The axis makes unusual noise. The axis oscillates. You notice contour errors or inaccurate positioning during rapid traverse. The axis struggles to maintain constant speed during heavy cutting. Now, let's walk through the process using STC. We'll assume you've already downloaded STC and connected to your machine. You have entered some details about your machine that will help STC to make suitable suggestions for the tuning process. Start by selecting the axis with the issue. Open the tuning overview and go to Feedback Loop Tuning. On the first page, choose Method, go to Prepare Tuning. On the Prepare Tuning page, check the preconditions. For example, switch from auto to jog on the machine control panel if needed. Next, make sure the axis is in a safe position for measurement. You'll see the software limits for maximum travel range in the interactive graphic. Move the axis to a suitable start position and, if needed, restrict the measurement to a specific area. Continue by pressing Measure and Tune. This part is straightforward. Click Start Measurements and wait a few seconds while STC sets everything up. STC will tell you when to go to the machine and press Cycle Start. The required steps will run automatically while you watch the progress and axis movements. Measurements usually take a few minutes. On the Check Results page, you'll see the key parameters with their original and optimized values, along with the tuning objective applied. As an optional step, jog the axis and listen for any noise. The wizard will help you adjust the tuning objective if needed. If you'd like, you can review the bode plots for the speed or position controller. Finally, press Finalize to complete feedback loop tuning. Here, you can review all values before and after tuning. Or switch to a view showing only the changes. As with every tuning feature, you can cancel and revert to the previous settings before confirming. When you click Confirm and activate new values, the new parameters are finally accepted and saved to the machine. And that's it. Feedback loop tuning is complete. Your axis should now run stable and smooth. We'd love to hear your feedback on the result. By the way, you can always check the overview page on the left to see the currently active values related to this feature. This overview is available whether or not you've used STC tuning before. Once connected to the machine, you can always see which values are active. See you in the next episode, where we'll show you how to make your machine even faster by tuning the acceleration limits. Stay tuned.